In this video, we're going to take a look at four methods: the append method, the prepend method, and the after and before methods. Now, the append method is very similar to the HTML method that we talked about a few videos ago. It submits an HTML tag with whatever we want to put inside there, in this case, text. But the difference is the append method will append this element after the last element in the div that we select. In this case, we selected our last section, this div with an ID of right. So it will always be the last child element. So what does that mean? Well, this paragraph element is the first element. So this H2 element that we're submitting should be the last element inside of the div that we selected. So it'll end up after the paragraph. So let's go ahead and see if that works. And it did. It submitted the H2 element after the first paragraph element. The prepend method essentially does the same thing, only the opposite. So it'll put this H2 element before the first element. So this H2 now will become the first child element. So let's go ahead and hit save. We'll hit refresh. And if we hit our button, there you can see the H2 element now is the first child element in our div section. Now, the after method functions similar to the append method. The only difference is it doesn't put it inside of our element that we selected. So we selected this div element with an ID of right. It will put it after the closing tag of the element, which in this case is this div tag right here. So it will actually be just outside of the element that we select. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll put after here. And let's go ahead and maximize this screen so we get a better look at this. And let's reduce the zoom down here a little bit so we can see this a little bit better. Let's just move this, we'll move this over here for a little bit. And let's go ahead and refresh our page. And if we hit our button, there you can see it occurs right after. And of course, it is not inside the element that we selected. It's just right outside of it. Now, the before, well, you probably guessed it. It puts it right before the opening tag of the element that we selected. So let's go ahead and save this. We'll minimize this. Let's refresh our page. And if we hit this, there you can see. Now it occurs before the element. This looks a little funky, but this actually is before this right section that we selected. Okay, so that's how those four methods work. I will see you guys in the next video.